Football is where we kick off. Jamaica could play their next World Cup qualifying home match against Canada in October with a limited number of spectators in attendance if the JFF gets its wish. But only people vaccinated against COVID-19 will get the opportunity if approval should be granted. According to a release sent out by local football's governing body today, it will be making representation to the relevant authorities for permission to allow spectators into a fraction of the stadium for the match. Interested persons will have to show proof of vaccination, as the JFF says it has indicated its willingness to partner with the government in promoting the need for the population to get vaccinated. The Reggae Boys will play away to the USA on October 7 before returning home to host Canada on October 10 and travelling to Honduras to play that team on October 13. Jamaica's lone World Cup qualifying match at home so far was against Panama on September 5 and was played without spectators. The boys lost that match 3-0. The Reggae Boys have so far drawn one and lost two of its World Cup qualifying matches, leaving them at the foot of the 8-team octagonal round.